What's up, world? What's up, free thinkers? It's your boy Terrence, and I just want to tell you that faith comes from action. That's right. When I was a little kid, my mom always told me, Terrence, it's gonna come, you're gonna get it. So that's why I don't dwell on negative stuff. A lot of people ask me, like, Terrence, how come you're always so positive? How come you don't let things get to you? It's because I know that's not a finale, you know? Like, just because something happens to you right now, it doesn't mean you're still alive, right? So it doesn't mean you died that second. There's still life to live. There's still opportunity. There's still time to right your wrong. There's still time to make something positive from a negative situation. You know, like my mom always told me it's gonna come. So that's why faith comes from action. Continually do the steps, put in the work, get the reps in, and then you'll get the result. TerrenceSani.com. You are your outcome.